Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Wacom Move Ink Pad 11 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all of the browsers that are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it on your own browser. And as you can see, I've got some problems with the internet, I believe, so yeah, so let me quickly change the Wi-Fi, or maybe not. Okay, use without the account, no thank you. And right now we are in our browser, so we have to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and now go to delete browsing data. Here we've got some basic options like visited websites, opened tabs, cookies, cache, and other site data. You can change the time range here from last 15 minutes to, for example, last 7 days or all time. It's totally up to you. Just tap on the option which you'd like to use and then tap on delete data. However, if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, just tap on more options, and here we've got them. So saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. So I will remove everything. We can change the time range from last hour to all time, for example, and then tap on delete data. And for some reason I've got some problems with my network, but after that you should have all this information that everything has been deleted, which means that we just successfully removed browsing history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.